Hello everyone, my name is David. I came back with another innovative Korean startup company. No, it's not Korean startup company. Where are you from, you guys?
France, Paris.
France, Paris.
Wow, this Paris is a tower of the Eiffel. It's a beautiful city.
Yeah.
I was there also before. Welcome to Korea, anyway.
Thank you.
Okay, so how do you like your Korea so far?
Korea is amazing. It's amazing. I did study a little bit in Silicon Valley, and it reminds me a lot like Silicon Valley. It's full of energy, a lot of startups emerging, and the food is very, very good.
Food is very good?
Yeah.
It's not too spicy?
No, it's okay, not too much.
Not much?
Yeah.
Is it too cold or compared to Paris? Not much, huh?
It's a bit cold, but
It's a bit colder?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let me ask you some questions because you guys are here for the demo day of Orange Fab
Yes.
in Asia.
Yeah.
But not many people actually understand. I mean, not many people actually understands the difference between Orange Telecom and Orange Fab in Korea. So can you explain a little bit the difference?
Let me tell you. Okay.
Yeah.
In fact, Orange is a telecom provider, well known in Europe and in the whole world. But Orange Fab is a program which allows Orange to work with startups. So it's not the same. It's an incubator which selects some startups to work with, and sometimes it helps you sign partnership with Orange.
Orange Fab, that's the name of the program.
Yes.
Accelerator program.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So how many months? 3 months or 4 months?
It's a 3-month program, and I think that today Orange has more than 15 programs in all the world, in the US, in Europe, in Asia, and in Africa too.
But in your case, how many months now? Is it 22nd month or
It's
first
our
month?
fourth month.
First month?
First month. Yeah, it's the end of the program.
Okay. I always raise the same question, pretty much to all the startup companies. So how did you get started this, your company? What's the name of your company?
it's Comet.
Comet.
Yes.
So Comet in English, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Comet in English.
Okay. So how did you get started in the first
I
place?
think Mathieu will explain you because it's very personal story.
Yeah,
and,
it's a personal story. So I get married 3 years ago, and before the wedding, my friends organized a bachelor party. So we went in a great city in East Europe.
Okay.
And so we made party for 3 days, and when we get back home, we never managed to gather all the pictures from everybody. And so we tried to do it with Dropbox, with Facebook, with plenty of applications, but we never managed to get everybody's picture. That's why we decided to create Comet.
How many pictures were there when you talked about the pictures from the party?
more than
Thousands of them.
Thousands and thousands, and all the pictures was very funny, were very funny, and a lot of them weren't showable.
So what year did you start exactly?
So the idea about Comet just appeared in 2012, but we began to work on Comet in 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
So you had an idea first time in 2012, and after that you actually started your startup company in 2014.
Yes, because we already worked on another startup.
Yeah, we had another company before, an innovation agency. So we were thinking about the idea, but we were working on something else at this time for other clients and customers.
So at the time you were working for the innovation center.
Yes.
But you're not working for the startup company at the moment.
Yes, we're
so
full time in our startups. Yes.
So you were working for this innovation center. After that, actually you learned a lot, or it has nothing to do with it.
It has nothing to do.
Nothing to do with it. Okay. By the way, I didn't ask your names. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. So I'm Mathieu.
And I'm Aurélien.
Okay, yeah.
It's Orange.
Okay. Enchanté. The name of the company or the name of your service is application, right? So those are the same, the Comet?
Yeah, it's Comet.
Comet. So startup name is Comet.
Yes.
The application name is also Comet.
Yes.
So Comet. So why is it Comet?
Comet is basically we were trying to find a positive name and easy to understand, to remember. And a comet is an object who travels through the universe, linking stars. And we do exactly the same thing. We link people with picture. So that's why we use the name Comets. And maybe you don't know it, but when you write some code, you make application, you commit a lot of code. So it was also A little
That also.
bit geek idea at the beginning.
Okay, but honestly, with all the respect, I don't understand because now already we have many ways to share our photos. Like the photo videos we usually use YouTube, but for the photos, Instagram, Telegram, or KakaoTalk in Korea, or Line in Korea, also WhatsApp. There are many ways to share the photos. What's so different about your application?
Yeah, a good question.
Thank you.
You just mentioned, except Instagram, you just mentioned messaging app. Messaging app are about writing to people and sometimes sending pictures. But if you want to, have you ever tried to use WhatsApp after a wedding to gather hundreds of pictures with 30 persons? I don't think you did because it's very complicated to do it. After a big event or even after a party, if you want to share hundreds of pictures, if you try to do it with WhatsApp, Telegram or others, it's very complicated. Within Comet, if you want to share 5, 10, 15, 50 and hundreds of pictures with 1, 5, 10, 15 person, it takes you only 3 seconds and 1 click.
How many pictures is the actually maximum?
There is no maximum.
There is maximum?
No.
Really?
You can upload as many pictures.
If I have 1 billion pictures,
no
problem?
But you don't.
Don't do it.
Actually, I don't have it.
We are lucky enough that you have.
Okay.
Don't do that, but you can.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
But I mean, is it because you use a cloud?
Yeah, we use some cloud computing behind that. So we're basically unlimited in storage. We already scaled everything behind, so it's ready for that.
But
you can upload your picture.
Yeah, I mean, because your application sounds really wonderful, but at the same time, I feel like I'm afraid that I may have to pay for your application, right?
No.
No?
No.
It's not?
It will stay free. We don't want to. We don't want to make it to make you pay for that. It's a free service, but if you want, you will be able to pay from extra exclusive features inside the app. You will be able to print photos, to print albums. You will be able to print to buy other features like profile customization.
Okay.
Like
but only if you want.
Stickers.
But only if you want.
Okay. But still, there are some people who also pay for your application, right? I mean, you do have the statistics.
Yes, but people who pay are not it's a B2B model, so we make pay professional.
Okay.
We want to organize event, we want to gather the pictures taken during their event, and for that they pay. But you, as a user, as an end user, you will never pay for Comet.
So currently we can share photos, but do you have any idea, or do you have any plan to also share something other than photos in the future?
We're thinking about videos, but we're still working on it because it's today mobile phone take amazing videos, like with high resolution, but it's also very heavy, so it's a technological challenge to transfer everything smoothly and without breaking your battery.
I think your application is wonderful, but at the same time there must be some competitions. Who is your strongest competitor?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
And it's funny because WhatsApp is a messaging app, and it's not a photo sharing app. And I think that people are using WhatsApp because they didn't find another way to share pictures easily. But now that Comet exists, if we manage to be known and we are going to do it, people will see why Comet is better when it comes to share pictures. And Facebook launched Moments. Moments is an application that has the same pitch, exactly the same pitch than Comet. But we are lucky enough that Moments is now forbidden in Europe. In Europe because they use a technology which is completely forbidden. It's a facial recognition technology. So the place in Europe is completely free. And Comet will become the most used photo sharing app in Europe.
If you want to use Moments, you need to have a Facebook account. Anyone don't have a Facebook account.
How many people until now have downloaded your application?
More than 75,000.
75,000? 75,000?
Yeah, in 3 months.
In 3 months?
In 3 months, yes.
Wow. It's word of mouth. Because actually, definitely I'm going to download it also today. Because it sounds like it's a very good tool, right? I mean, okay, free is good for me. Free is good for the customers. Yeah, it's free, but how are you going to make money? But you just mentioned that it's a B2B.
Yes, exactly.
But I'm not a business. I'm a consumer, so it's like a P2C, P2C. That's
Yeah.
a P2C.
Maybe you want to print your picture, or you want to print your all album, so you will be able to pay for it.
Oh, yeah.
You will be able to buy some stickers to use in comments or directly on the picture. In-app purchase, basically. If you want to do extra thing in the app, you will be able to buy it.
But are you currently working with some other companies for your service?
Yes. We won't print by ourselves the pictures for customers. We are signing partnerships with a lot of startups, big startups.
Yeah.
And we are also working with Orange.
Orange.
For instance, Orange.
Okay.
We are incubated by Orange, and we just signed a partnership with the Orange Cloud division.
It makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. And Orange will push Comet to all of its user base in France in 2016. So it should be huge for us.
So you had an idea in 2012, and then you actually realized in 2014. Was it because it was difficult to make it happen, or is it because of other reasons?
It was more about letting the idea mature. We changed a little bit the idea. At the beginning, it was more a travel log, and we think about it, and we say, okay, no, it's not the main, the good point. It's just to share the picture. So we focus on just the photo sharing feature and not everything around it.
So what was the biggest challenge when you try to start your company?
When we started the company, I think the biggest challenge for Comet is to make it easy to use for a wide range of people. We do not target only the young people or only the old people. It's an application we're going to be used by young people, middle-aged people, old people. So you need to have an interface usable by all these people. And it's, believe me, my grandma is very different from my a little child.
Okay, so currently, what is the biggest challenge at the moment?
Now that we launch Comet, the most important challenge is the user acquisition. How do you get new users? How do you make them stay and use the Comet? So we are in this period. I mean, we had a lot of downloads, so it's awesome. But now we need to progress. We need to improve the app. We need to hear the feedbacks from our users, and we need to have a growth, fast growth.
Okay. If we take a video today here, you are going to be on the map, and many people will start using your app. So you have to pay for our service. No, it's a joke, of course. Do you have any plan to enter an Asian market, or your application is pretty much for the whole world, right?
Yeah, it's for the whole world.
Android and iOS.
Yeah, Android and iOS for now. There is also a web version for people who don't have mobile. If you want to share a link of an album for someone, you can you can browse it on internet on his computer.
So you have also a computer version?
Yeah, there is a computer version.
Wow,
it's just for visualization. You cannot add picture.
And so yes, we plan to enter the Asian market as the US market and as the European market. Actually, right now, Comet is used in most than 30 countries.
30 countries.
30 countries.
Yeah. Okay.
Even if most of people are using Comet in France and in the US right now.
Currently, most of the users are from France or
France and US. Yeah.
France and US.
Yeah, we have more coverage, in France because it's easier for us. We plan to be a little bit more aggressive in Asia later this year. We need to, before translate the app, make a quality process in order to be sure that everything stays smooth in Asia. And so later this year, there will be a full application located in Japanese, Chinese, and Korean.
I don't think that it's necessary to wait until the end of this year, because right away, tomorrow, you have a lot in Korea also.
Okay.
75,000, you said,
yes,
the users actually downloaded your application. Did you ever advertise or promote your application publicly?
Yeah. Yes.
In France.
In France. We tried in France with, but not that much. Not that much. In fact, it was just to launch our communication, which it was quite nothing. And in fact, after it's the word of mouth which made its way.
Okay. That's the best way.
Yeah.
for the month. You don't have to pay for much. It's great.
It's free.
How many staff are working for Comet now?
We are a team of 5. 5 engineers.
5 engineers.
5 engineers.
Ah.
We are working for 5 years together. It's our third company together. So we know how to work together. And that's it. After 5 years working out together, we were ready to create a new company.
Okay. Can I have some stereotype about the start company workers? Well, you don't look very thin. You don't look very tired. Are you sure that you work overnight or no? Sometimes, but
sometimes we did it a lot at the beginning. But you know, when you really want to make project a success, you need to be able to stay in shape, in good shape, and so you can work overnight at the beginning, but after you need to rationalize the thing and be effective.
How many hours do you sleep?
Not that much.
Not that much.
Maybe 6, maybe 6.5.
Because 5 people, I mean, I'm sure that they are very competent and also very excellent workers. But only 5 engineers can manage the whole.
No, we try to, but in fact we would like to be more, and we plan to recruit 6 more people.
6 more people.
By the end of the year.
From which country? From France first.
First, but
we don't have a country. We just look for smart people and people who are interested in sharing picture. Okay. Today with internet, you can be anywhere. We don't care. Hello, we're Comet, the app who will finally allow you to gather a picture from your friend and family that they took during the last event you shared together. So, Comet is an app available on Android and iOS who allow you to create shared album and upload as many pictures as you want with as many people as you want. It can be 10, 20, 50, 100 pictures with 10 or 2 or 3 or 500 of people. So here, by example, I'm going to, a friend of me has a wedding and he wants to invite me to his shared album, so I'm going to join it with a QR code. So I join the event. Where is it? All the pictures his attendee and friend took during the wedding are synchronized in background, so you don't have to care if the app is open or not. It's full quality, and it's going to take a very short time. Here you can browse the picture, you can like it, you can comment it. And as you can see, there is quite few people in this event. All the pictures they took are shared in this album, so you can have all the point of view of a main event and finally gather all the pictures of your last party or birthday or whatever event you joined. So this is Comet. It's very simple, it's very effective, and just try it.
Your application, would you say that your application is not exactly one of a kind? There are other competitors, you said, but other than those competitors you mentioned before, is there any other application like this, as far as you know?
Yes, there's some in the US, some in Netherlands, I think, but they're a little focused on different things, more very private stuff.
All right. So what is your next move? I mean, what would you like to do in the near future for your business?
I think the next move is we're going to handle your picture, but not only the picture you want to share, also your picture. You're going to be a global solution for picture management, with going to be platform agnostic. I mean, Android, a computer, iPhone, you don't care. We're going to allow you to organize all your picture.
So it's all about photos, pictures, and sharing.
It will be just a better photo solution. That's what you have today.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for your coming, and really appreciate your time. And then I heard that you have to leave Korea tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes, we're going to Japan.
Japan also. You are going to take another video in Japan?
Maybe.
In Japanese?
Yes, we have a lot of meetings there.
Meeting there, right? It's good news for you, so it's good. Everyone, thank you very much for watching. And next time I will come back with another innovative startup companies. I didn't say Korean startup companies, we never know, so like today. So see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, David.